guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my vlog. In this episode, it's gonna be a what I eat in a week kind of vlog, but it's in a meal prep version. So it's not the typical like, what I eat in a week and then I eat everything differently every day, but this is a meal prep version, so I will just bring you guys along with me. Basically what I eat in a week, staying in Australia, trying to survive. Yeah, so let's go and get some groceries now. And because of this is a meal prep version, so I won't be like filming every single day because meal prep I'll be eating the same thing over and over again. Yeah, it's just a very random week in my life of what I eat. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's make Paka proud. The basil. The meal prep life. Done with the dinner. Now let's make lunch. So I'm gonna make chicken pesto wrap. Yep, so I'm gonna prep the ingredients now. Now let's cut the chicken. Alright, so we got all the ingredients ready. We have the veggie here, egg here, pesto chicken here, wraps and some cheese. So now let's do the wrapping. Finally done meal prepping. This is my lunch for the week. Morning. It's a Monday morning right now. I'm gonna make my breakfast. So it's just a very simple one. Ham and cheese bread with peanut butter spread and milk with some dark chocolate powder. Time for lunch. And I will heat it up on a pan. usually meal prep on a Sunday. Monday, whenever I'm free, then I'm gonna make some soup or tong sui. Today I'm gonna make some soup. Life in Aussie is all about self cooking. We have to save money, right? I'm just gonna make vegetable soup because it's the easiest and healthiest maybe. High fiber. So let's see how it goes. Hey Alexa, play music.
Okay, here's one part.
I'm gonna put everything here into the pressure cooker because it's faster. Cook about 30 minutes in a pressure cooker, 30 to 45 minutes, and then done. The soup is ready. Smells so good! So this is my dinner, the baka prau that I made, fried an egg. Then I cooked some veggies here. Good morning! So I'm gonna make a breakfast now. Breakfast today is very simple. This is so good, man. Let's try. First time trying this bread. Maver's dark roasted peanut butter. Oh, this is my breakfast. It's a very simple one, so please don't judge, yeah. Morning guys, it's a Wednesday morning. Ham and cheese bread, peanut butter spread, and this. Wednesday lunch. My wrap, blueberries and energy bar. Morning! It's a Thursday morning right now. I'm gonna make my breakfast. I'm gonna make some oats. Soy milk. This is the most commonly used soy milk here. A lot of cafes here, they use this kind of soy milk, so I'm gonna try. This is unsweetened soy milk. Hi. You know it's not. It's a working day, so I'm getting this. So this is normally what I will have. I'll make my lunch and dinner for the week. Showing you guys how it's living in Melbourne life in terms of eating at home and stuff. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy this kind of video and like, subscribe, and let me know what kind of video that you guys want to see next. And thanks for watching. Bye!